guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can blur a video background on CapCut. So let's go to CapCut. Okay, let's add a new project. Okay, let me add this video. Okay, let me play it for you. So this is the video. Let me remove this word. Okay, so let's do the blur thing first. On the bottom you will see this effects button. Just tap there. Now go to basic, scroll up and apply the blur effect. Hit done. Now select it wherever you want. Okay, so now all the video is blur. Now what we have to do, just go back. Okay, now tap on overlay. Now tap on overlay again and select the same video. Okay, let me increase the size. Okay, now tap on remove background. Okay, now let's play the video. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can blur a video background on CapCut. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.